Have you ever wondered if you have what it takes to become a truly successful executive coach? Or if you're already an executive coach, how to take your existing business to the next level? Well, hi, I'm Mary Morrissey, the author of 2 best-selling books, No Less Than Greatness and Building Your Field of Dreams, which became a PBS special. I'm also the founder of Life Mastery Institute, the world's premier training certification center for heart-centered transformational life coaching. Well, first of all, what is executive coaching? Executive coaching, also known as business coaching, focuses on helping an entrepreneur or an executive of a company go from where they are to where they want themselves and their company to be. And after investing the last 30 plus years coaching and mentoring individuals, groups, and businesses, including Fortune 500 executives in the art and science of transformation, I can tell you that there are 3 specific qualities that all extraordinary executive coaches bring to the table. Number 1, they genuinely care about people. They demonstrate a sincere interest in their clients, a strong desire to help. They also have done the good human homework of being able to transmit that interest and hold themselves with a level of authority in knowing that they have something that they can really share with their client that will help their client immeasurably. Number 2, they're trained. That's how they gain that confidence. They're trained and they're certified. And they're certified by a master mentor, someone who has a proven track record of making profound and lasting differences in the lives of many, many others. Number 3, they believe in the power of systems, and they have access to and use proven, reliable, repeatable systems of transformation that they can guide their clients through. So if you're interested in becoming an executive coach and you're wondering what to do to ensure that you will be successful, or you're already an executive coach, but you haven't been quite as successful as you would like to be, or maybe you had success and not so much now, and you're wondering what you may be missing or not seeing, if so, my upcoming Intro to Life Coaching Mastermind will be truly life-changing for you. In this free online workshop, you're going to discover how to start or grow a successful life coaching business that makes a profound and lasting difference in the lives of others and allows you to earn an abundant income working from anywhere that you choose, including the 4 pillars that every successful executive coach, life coaching business must absolutely have. Now, I'll be holding this free online workshop several times over the next few days. All you need to do is simply click on the link below now, choose a date and time that works best for you. I'll look forward to seeing you in this masterclass.